Well, I finally got the larger brake pedal here. It's the 41408, so this is for the Can-Am Ryker. So I'll go ahead and get this installed. Next, we'll adjust the, sorry for the dirty bike, I've been riding it, so let's adjust this to the very top, pull that out, so it's a lot easier to install. And then from there, what we'll do is just slide this bad boy right in there, like so, and then tighten up the screws. Just alternate one by one. Alright, let's take a look at it. That's how it's supposed to look like. It's all tightened up and in place. Then adjust this to the level we want it. Pull this back down, so. And there it goes. And looks pretty good. Test it out. We just have to go and test drive and see if we need to adjust the brake pedal. And then from there, you should be able to ride. Now that it covers everything, my entire foot here, I can actually, and it feels comfortable. A lot easier. And I have to worry about that little brake pedal that you were trying to look for over here. Now you have a full-size pedal that you can actually use to brake. Hopefully you liked the video, and thank you again. Appreciate it.